Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab paste using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh, high-quality crab meat, which is the star of our dish. We'll also prepare some finely minced aromatics, including several cloves of garlic, a couple of shallots, and a small piece of ginger. Don't forget your cooking oil, a dash of fish sauce, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. A little annatto oil can add a beautiful color. Now, let's get our crab ready. It's crucial to ensure your crab meat is impeccably clean, completely free from any pesky shell fragments that could spoil the texture. Gently flake the meat into smaller, bite-sized pieces, making it easier to incorporate into our paste. If you're starting with whole crabs, steam them until they're perfectly cooked, then carefully extract all the succulent meat. Don't forget to separate any rich crab fat, also known as tomoli, as this will significantly enhance the paste's depth of flavor. Next, we move to the sautéing stage, where all the wonderful flavors come together. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over a gentle medium heat. Once warm, add your finely minced garlic, shallots, and ginger, sautéing them for approximately 2 minutes until they release their delightful fragrance. Then, introduce your prepared crab meat and any separated crab fat into the pan. Stir-fry this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring everything is thoroughly combined and beautifully aromatic, creating a fantastic base for our paste. Finally, let's finish our delicious crab paste. Season the crab mixture with about 1 tablespoon of good quality fish sauce and a half teaspoon of sugar to enhance its natural sweetness. Now, for that beautiful golden hue and an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of annatto oil. Continue cooking the paste for another 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent sticking and ensure all the flavors meld perfectly. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, aiming for a harmonious balance of sweet, savory, and umami notes. Enjoy your homemade crab paste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.